The business world is constantly evolving, always on the lookout for new technologies to improve efficiency and gain a competitive edge. Enter Robotic Process Automation or RPA, a transformative technology changing the way businesses operate. RPA automates repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and productivity while freeing up human workers. The impact of RPA is undeniable, with immense potential for future transformation. Robotic Process Automation or RPA might sound complex, but it's straightforward. RPA uses software robots or bots to automate repetitive, rule-based business processes. Imagine a digital worker performing tasks like data entry, invoice processing, or generating reports. These robots are software installed on computers or servers. They mimic human actions like mouse clicks and keyboard strokes. RPA integrates seamlessly with existing IT infrastructure. It's a cost-effective solution for optimizing business operations. RPA frees employees to focus on strategic tasks, driving growth and innovation. RPA bots emulate human actions within digital environments. They interact with software applications like a human user, following predefined rules to perform tasks accurately. Imagine a bot extracting data from invoices and updating records in a spreadsheet. Developers configure the RPA software by defining task steps. These steps are laid out in a visual workflow designer. Once defined, the bot executes tasks autonomously. It accesses applications, following rules to complete work. RPA bots handle data extraction, form filling, and report generation. They communicate with other software systems. They bridge gaps between legacy and modern systems. RPA automates complex business processes across departments. The adoption of RPA brings numerous benefits to businesses across industries, revolutionizing the way they operate and interact with their customers. One of the most significant advantages of RPA is its ability to dramatically enhance operational efficiency. By automating repetitive rules-based tasks, RPA frees up human employees from mundane and time-consuming activities. This allows employees to focus on more strategic and value-adding tasks that require critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem-solving skills. As a result, businesses experience increased productivity, improved turnaround times, and a more engaged and motivated workforce. Moreover, RPA operates 24/7 without breaks or fatigue, ensuring continuous process execution and increased throughput. This non-stop operation translates to faster processing times, quicker response rates, and improved customer satisfaction. RPA's efficiency goes beyond just speeding up tasks. It streamlines entire workflows, eliminates bottlenecks, and optimizes resource allocation, leading to a leaner, more agile, and highly efficient organization. Section 5. Cost reduction, a key advantage of RPA. In today's competitive business environment, cost optimization is paramount. RPA helps businesses achieve significant cost reductions. By automating tasks, RPA reduces labor costs. It's beneficial for data entry, processing, and verification. RPA works tirelessly, accomplishing more with fewer resources. This reduces operational expenses related to salaries and overhead. Cost savings can be reinvested in growth and innovation. Section 6. Enhanced accuracy and quality, minimizing errors. Human error is an inherent part of manual processes. Fatigue, distractions, and even slight oversights can lead to inaccuracies, inconsistencies, and costly mistakes. RPA effectively addresses this challenge by minimizing the potential for human error in business operations. RPA bots follow predefined rules and workflows with unwavering precision, ensuring consistent accuracy in data entry, processing, and validation. They eliminate the possibility of typos, miscalculations, and other errors that can occur with manual data handling. This heightened accuracy translates to improved data quality, reliable reporting, and more informed decision-making. Moreover, RPA's rule-based approach ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. Bots can be programmed to adhere to specific guidelines, reducing the risk of compliance violations and potential penalties. By minimizing errors and ensuring compliance, RPA enhances the overall quality of business processes, leading to improved customer satisfaction, enhanced brand reputation, and a stronger competitive edge. Section 7. Increased productivity, freeing up human workers. One of the most significant benefits of RPA lies in its ability to significantly boost productivity by freeing up human employees from mundane and repetitive tasks. By automating these tasks, RPA allows employees to dedicate their time and skills to more strategic and value-adding activities. Tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and report generation, which once consumed a substantial amount of employee time, can be seamlessly handled by RPA bots. This shift from manual to automated processes not only increases the volume of work that can be accomplished, but also allows employees to focus on tasks that require critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem-solving. Employees are empowered to engage in activities that drive innovation, improve customer experiences, and contribute to the overall growth of the organization. As a result, businesses experience a surge in productivity, a more engaged and motivated workforce, and a greater capacity for innovation and strategic initiatives. Section 8 RPA and Finance Automating Financial Processes. The finance industry, with its reliance on data-intensive processes and strict regulatory requirements, has emerged as a prime beneficiary of RPA implementation. Financial institutions handle vast amounts of data, and RPA's ability to automate repetitive tasks makes it an ideal solution for streamlining financial operations. RPA can automate a wide range of financial processes, including invoice processing, accounts payable and receivable, general ledger maintenance, financial reporting, and regulatory compliance tasks. For instance, RPA bots can be deployed to extract data from invoices, validate information against purchase orders, and automatically generate payment requests. This automation reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and accelerates processing times, leading to faster payment cycles and improved vendor relationships. By automating these tasks, RPA frees up financial professionals from tedious and time-consuming activities, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks such as financial analysis, risk management, and strategic planning. Section 9. RPA in Healthcare. Streamlining healthcare operations. The healthcare industry faces numerous challenges, including rising costs, increasing regulatory pressures, and a growing demand for improved patient care. RPA offers a transformative solution by automating administrative and clinical processes, enabling healthcare providers to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve patient outcomes. RPA can streamline a wide range of healthcare operations, including patient registration, appointment scheduling, claims processing, billing and coding, and management of electronic health records, or EHRs. For example, RPA bots can automate the process of verifying insurance eligibility, submitting claims electronically, and processing payments, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. This automation frees up healthcare professionals to spend more time with patients, providing personalized care and improving patient satisfaction. RPA can also be used to automate repetitive tasks in clinical settings, such as medication reconciliation and lab results reporting, reducing the risk of errors, and improving patient safety. Section 10. RPA in Customer Service Enhancing Customer Experiences. In today's customer-centric business landscape, providing exceptional customer service is crucial for building brand loyalty and driving revenue growth. RPA plays a vital role in enhancing customer experiences by automating customer service processes, improving response times, and providing personalized interactions. RPA bots can be deployed to handle a wide range of customer service tasks, such as responding to frequently asked questions, resolving simple account issues, and routing complex inquiries to the appropriate human agents. By automating these tasks, RPA ensures that customers receive prompt and efficient service, reducing wait times and improving overall satisfaction. Moreover, RPA can personalize customer interactions by accessing and analyzing customer data from multiple sources. This data can be used to provide tailored recommendations, proactive support, and personalized communication, enhancing the customer experience and fostering stronger relationships. Section 11. Conclusion: The future of business with RPA. The transformative impact of RPA on business operations is undeniable. By automating repetitive, rules-based tasks, RPA empowers businesses to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, improve accuracy, and increase productivity. From finance and healthcare to customer service and beyond, RPA is revolutionizing industries by streamlining processes, freeing up human workers from mundane tasks, and enabling them to focus on more strategic and value-adding activities. As RPA technology continues to evolve, its capabilities will continue to expand, opening up new possibilities for automation and innovation. The future of business is intertwined with RPA, and those who embrace this transformative technology will undoubtedly gain a significant competitive advantage. RPA is not merely a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in the way businesses operate, paving the way for a future where human ingenuity and technological prowess work hand in hand to drive unprecedented growth and success.